Hi friends! Today we're going to write another list in our book of lists. So I have my book of lists out over here on my desk and I am going to walk you through what you're going to do today. Yesterday we wrote our names on our book and we colored the front cover a little bit and decorated it. You're welcome to decorate it more today if you would like. That's your choice. Yesterday we also did our very first list in our list books. And our list was my family. And down here we wrote 4 people or things that are in our family. I wrote Mr. Curry and drew a picture of Mr. Curry. Isla and drew a picture of Isla. Shep, that's my son, drew a picture of him. And Callie, that's my daughter. And I drew a picture of her. Today we are going to do a different list. The title of this list is My Favorite Colors. So you are going to make a list of your favorite colors. I have a little thing to help us here. I've got a few color words written on my list here that can help you if you would like to use it. I'm going to choose 4 colors from this list that I like. I'm going to write my word first. So the first one I'm going to write is pink. I will write my word in pencil on this side of my list, and then I will color it with a crayon on the other side. I could draw a crayon, or I could just color this whole box the color that I like. Pink is one of my favorite colors. The next one that I'm going to choose is blue because I really like the color blue. So I'm going to write blue, and I'm just going to copy it down just the way I see it here, B-L-U-E, and I wrote B-L-U-E. And then I'm going to find my color of blue that I really love, and I'm going to just color this box blue. And I'm going to keep going until I've finished my list. I chose green as my next letter, or my next color. And I'm going to color green here. And the last one that I'm going to choose is, that's a hard one. I think I'll choose red. I could choose a different color that wasn't on this list over here if I wanted. You might just have to sound it out or ask a friend or ask an adult for help. Brother or sister might be able to help you too. So there's my list of my favorite colors. If you need to use this list, you can always pause it and use this list to help you write your list of my favorite colors. Do your best work. I can't wait to see it tomorrow. Bye, friends.